Let's have a look at Xiaomi's all-new Mi 9T. In the box, you'll find some instruction manuals, a protective case and SIM ejector tool, and a charging cable with 18-watt wall plug. The Mi 9T has a notchless full-screen design with a 6.39-inch AMOLED display, which is great for watching video or playing games. In this screen, there's an all-new and much faster optical in-screen fingerprint sensor, which feels really fast and snappy. On top, you're probably happy to find a 3.5mm headphone jack next to the 20-megapixel pop-up selfie camera. And because this front-facing camera pops out, it results in much more screen real estate, while still being able to take your selfies. Also new, the ability to take panorama selfies. With this, you can take much wider photos with the selfie camera. On the bottom of the phone, you'll find a dual SIM card slot and USB-C port supporting 18-watt fast charging of its 4,000 mAh battery. Yes, a 4,000 mAh battery. That's right. As it could give you about 2 days of battery life. It means more usage time and less of this. Also, you'll find a larger speaker that is a lot louder and gives a much fuller sound experience. Back at the phone has this really cool looking holographic layered design. Here you'll find a 3-camera setup with a 4-megapixel high-resolution lens, a 2x optical zoom photo lens, and a 124.8 ultra-wide-angle lens. And that's very cool. It's kind of like having this, but then on this. New on the Mi 9T is the easy switching between the 3 lenses from the camera, and it's super easy to switch to shooting high-resolution 48-megapixel photos. The Mi 9T is powered by the Snapdragon 730, providing increased performance over previous generations, and faster is, well, better. This is the all-new Xiaomi Mi 9T.
Let's have a look at Xiaomi's all-new Mi Note 10. In the box, you'll find the Mi Note 10, some instruction manuals, a basic protective case, a 30-watt fast charger with a cable, and a SIM eject tool. The 5-megapixel telephoto camera includes 10 times hybrid zoom, which means it can produce high-quality images. The 12-megapixel 2x camera is best for natural-looking portraits. With its 108-megapixel camera, the Mi Note 10 offers you more details in your photos than ever before. You can capture the full view anytime, anywhere with the ultra-wide-angle camera. With the Super Macro camera, you can get close up to any subject that you want to capture. Mi Note 10 also features 960 frames per second macro slow-motion videos. Mi Note 10 features a 3D curved AMOLED display. Now you can listen to music while you're charging Mi Note 10. What's more, Mi Note 10 features not only dual flash, but also dual soft light, so you can produce perfect portraits in low-light conditions. Mi Note 10's 5,260 mAh battery can last more than 2 days of moderate usage. It also supports 30-watt fast charging, which means in 65 minutes you can charge to 100%. This is the Mi Note 10, world's first 108-megapixel pentacamera.
Starting from its exquisite packaging, the latest Xiaomi flagship, Mi 10 Pro, has filled us up with expectation. The packaging box contains a Mi 10 Pro phone, a transparent phone case, user's manual, a warranty card, a USB-C headphone adapter, a SIM card pin, a data cable, and a 65-watt power adapter. This adapter can be used not only for mobile phones, but also for computer charging. Mi 10 Pro adopts the 3D curved display to bring you a comfortable grip and handling, and also presents you a screen with high color accuracy. Its in-screen fingerprint sensor unlocks the phone with ease and speed, while the 90 Hz refresh rate presents a more exquisite and smooth motion for the eyes. The in-display front camera is located at the upper left corner of the screen. The design of the symmetrical dual speakers will take you into a supreme stereophonic world. The quad camera setup delivers unrivaled flexibility. The powerful telephoto camera can pull the distant scenery to right in front of your eyes for stunning perspectives that are otherwise impossible. The portrait camera will give you a professional portrait shooting experience. The stunning 108-megapixel primary camera creates ultra-clear photos or 8K video to retain every detail of the world that you do not want to miss. The ultra-wide-angle camera will guide you to discover richer and wider perspectives. The rear camera, equipped with dual flash, is capable of handling any low-light challenge allowing you to shoot with confidence. Its fast charging function ensures a constant full battery that is ready for your day. With a 65-watt power adapter, it takes just 45 minutes to get to 100% battery. This is Mi 10 Pro, an artisan's product, 10 years in the making.